Hello guys, welcome to the new dynamic system in ZBrush 2021. I'll show you very cool feature in new dynamic system. So let us go to create a cube from the current brush button. After creating the cube, choose the edit button and also choose the make polymesh 3D button. Here you notice that the new dynamic palette are displayed here. The newly introduced dynamic palette in ZBrush 2021 consists of different options that can be used for simulation. The options in the dynamic palette are meant for creating clothes but are capable for performing a different range of tasks. For example, you can set different parameters for collision. Also, it includes a dynamic thickness as a support feature that provides thickness to a cloth. So, when you choose dynamic palette here, a different button and slider are displayed for the simulation. And if you want to adjust this palette, click on this icon. You notice that the palette is adjusted on the left hand side automatically. Here you notice that the on-brush collision and floor collision and gravity are enabled. Now if you choose run simulation button, the run simulation is started. So this is the result. The simulation button is used to run the simulation. You need to press space bar to stop the simulation. After that you can make the desired changes and then choose this button again to continue the simulation. Next I will show you how to create cushions. For this, create a cube from the current brush and scale it. Now open dynamic palette. Here you disable the gravity and on brush button. Choose the inflat and last you choose the run simulation button. Here you notice that the cube is expanded and look like cushion, and if you change the value in inflat and then again you start the simulation, choose the simulation run simulation button, the expand value is increased. And if you want gravity, then choose gravity and run simulation. You can notice is going down. So this is very easy process. Now next process I'll show you the simulation on any model or object. So first you add model from the light browser, then choose subtools, subpalette and select one and two object, this one, and convert to collider object. So open the first you select first object and open the dynamic palette and choose the collision volume button. Again you select the second one and choose the, you do the one by one and choose the collision volume button. So make sure for collider the collision volume button is enabled. And also make sure the eye icon of these objects is on. So now in the subtool subpalette, choose the append button and add terrain 3D or any object you want. I am adding the terrain 3D and scale it. Now press W and move it to upward. Now go to dynamic palette and choose run simulation. When you run the simulation, get this result. This is a very pretty, easy and very impressive feature that is now available in ZBrush 2021. And if you want smooth object, make sure the simulate object is selected and go to the geometry sub palette. Just expand the geometry sub palette, choose the dynamic button here. You notice that the cloth is smoother. Now if you want any texture or design of the cloth, you just choose the micro poly button. The window is displayed here. Now choose any design from this window. So this design is assigned on that cloth. So I hope you understand a very important and impressive features of dynamic in ZBrush 2021. Thank you and be safe.